Good morning, I'm Clive Beardmore of Dalen, and we're on day one of the ISE show at the rAVe in Amsterdam, and one of the products on demonstration today is our new CoACT product, which is an extremely versatile product in use in active learning environments in particular, and where space needs to be used for many different things. On the first side, we've just got a branding area, a data interface plate here, and this data interface plate can be configured with a soundbar, with power and data units, or with control panels. There's an optional shelf for use with a laptop, but from a presenter, and in addition to the front data interface plate, there's a data interface plate on each end, and a pair of handles for ease of moving it around. All of that's configurable because we manufacture these products ourselves. On the back of the product, in this particular case, we've got an optional whiteboard, and whatever the client wants is we can consider putting into there. And in this bottom area, there's a removable panel, and behind there is rack space and a secure space to put a computer. You'll notice that the mains cable has got an inline connector, so if people inadvertently move the product without disconnecting it properly, it gets a sympathetic disconnection rather than a support call in the making. Similarly, the handle on the lower door can act as a cable winding point. So that's the new CoACT from TOP-TEC, which is our brand from Dalen, and the website is www.top-tec.co.uk. Thank you very much.